Have you ever wondered how to bring a little magic into your everyday life? Today, I'm sharing 3 simple spells you can start using right now, no prior experience needed. Let's transform your intentions into reality with some everyday magic. Ready? Let's dive in. Before we get into the spells, let's take a moment to understand intention. This is the core of any spell. To help focus your energy, let's do a quick mindfulness exercise. Quick exercise: close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, and visualize what you want to attract into your life. Feel that energy surrounding you. Now, write down your intention. Keeping it visible will help you stay focused. Our first spell is a gratitude jar. It's a beautiful way to cultivate positive energy. Materials needed: a clear jar, slips of paper, a pen. Instructions: decorate your jar if you wish, personalize it. Every day, write down something you're grateful for and add it to the jar. At the end of the month, read through your notes to celebrate your abundance. This simple act can shift your mindset and attract more positivity into your life. Simple spell number 2, a protection candle spell. Next, we have a powerful protection candle spell. This is perfect for when you need a little extra security. Materials needed: a black or white candle, a small bowl of salt. Instructions: find a quiet space and light the candle. Focus on the flame. Sprinkle a circle of salt around the candle, stating, "I am safe and protected." Let the candle burn while you meditate on your intention. Remember to never leave a burning candle unattended. Simple spell number 3, the manifestation crystal spell. Lastly, let's explore the manifestation crystal spell. Crystals carry unique energies that can enhance your intent. Materials needed: a crystal aligned with your goal, e.g., clear quartz for clarity, a piece of paper and a pen. Instructions: write your intention on the paper. Hold the crystal, close your eyes, and visualize your intention as if it's already real. Place the paper under the crystal and keep it in a special area. Feel free to carry the crystal with you as a reminder of your goals. And that's it. 3 easy spells to infuse your daily life with magic. I encourage you to try these out and let me know your intentions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical magic tips. Let's build our magical community together. Until next time, keep shining your light and embracing your magic.